How to add WIC card to Ebtedge. First, download the Ebtedge app. It's available on the Apple App Store and Google Play. Then open the app on your mobile device. At the login page, click Register here. Complete required files, then select Register to save your user profile. Set challenge questions and answers. When you finish, click Add, then select OK in the success message window to return to the login page. You can now log in. Log into your account with your user ID and password. Add your account. Next, tap Add Account and enter your EWIC card number, your date of birth, mailing address, zip code, and click Add Card. On the next screen, tap on the EWIC card to see your account summary. Tap on PIN, select to update or set up a PIN for the first time. Enter your date of birth, mailing address, zip code, and enter a PIN. Click Save. Thanks for watching.